Hey, welcome to Mullen Stock. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. And also remember that this is not a financial advice video. And if you haven't heard me before, there's an important event happening here that will halt the stock before 9:30 in the morning. This video will be calm. Second part, I'll make a disclosure. If you're new, I have a significant position at $4.50 and a smaller one for MULN at $0.21. I'm taking quite a hit. Despite a 140% gain in 18 months, with over 1,000% profit, it's true. After 14 losses, with an average loss of 18.2%, I'm down by -85 when we talk. But David has an opportunity now. And still, I've never talked to him. I've been in this trading business for 30 years. Half of that time, I was a broker. I never wanted to talk to the CEO because they're all talk. They're like politicians, right? They always campaign to collect money. But David, you have a chance here at 41 and change. After some news, based on what a few other people and I have gathered in the past 24 hours, you've only repurchased about $5 million worth of stock at around $0.98 per share. Then nothing happened. We tested around 39 and changed successfully about an hour ago. But you're 50 or 60% lower than when you started boosting your fiduciary duty and preserving shareholder value. I'm not a lawyer and I won't sue you. I also respect the lawyer who does their job. But if you go to court because you're at 99.9% and you haven't done anything in the last 2 weeks, between 80, 70, 69 and change, a penny and a half below, what will you have left in court? Some lawyer will say, is it true that your job is to create shareholder value and protect the stock's integrity? Yes, it's true. So tell the court if you can, please, that you bought the stock at 98 and haven't bought a single share. Despite the prayers of shareholders like me, who may have brought so many people into the stock just now, you have no defense. But David, I'll tell you what you can do here. In fact, I'll assume for a moment that I'm the SVP of Investor Relations, and you've just given me an order for a full $20 million, meaning 40 million shares, right here, right now, on September 10th at 11:04 in the morning. You're Mullen's market maker, right? Oh yes, we're here, yes, $25 million. But we haven't done anything in 2 weeks. All right, listen carefully. I just spoke to David on the phone, and I'm assuming this is what you should do. David, my friend, let me ask you this. I've gone 3 digits, 3 decades, half of which I've been a broker. You've given me an order today to buy at 41 on the dot, and I've assumed 40 to 45 million shares based on my basic third-grade math. Let's say it's 45 limits, but here's what you do. To counter this spoofing, where there are massive sell orders just above the offer, showing 5 and 10 million shares in some places. I hope the lawyer from September 7th has taken pictures, because I've seen significant rule violations. They put those massive sell orders out there to scare retail investors away. And you know human nature, right? They panic at the bottom and buy at the top. But tell them this, I'll be the one to say it. Listen carefully, Joe. I want you to show 10,000 shares to buy and nothing else. You're at 41 now. The last trade, if I heard correctly, is for 40 to 45 million shares. The limit is 45, but do this. Every 15 minutes, raise your bid by a nickel. So from 41 to 41 and a half. 41 and a half 15 minutes from now. And if those shorts, especially naked shorts, hit you with a big order on the stock, you soak up every share until your order is complete. Because we need to show them that we're serious about people breaking the law. They're spoofing, they're pushing it down, they're pushing it down. Maybe today they're covering their shorts, I've seen them do that. They've returned 1 million or something, maybe more than 5 million shares today. But we need to hit them on our bid. Just show 10,000 to buy and say nothing else. Wow, what's this? So I shorted 5 million shares, and he's taken the whole thing. Hit him again. I did. Bought again. Show them that you mean business, David. These guys were over our heads, all the way down and up without any lubricant. Now it's our turn, our chance to do something like that. So you go ahead. Every 15 minutes for the next few hours, keep raising your bid by a nickel, up to 45 cents. And if someone, especially those shorts, hits you with a big stock order, you take every share until your order is complete. Then around 6 o'clock, David, I'll call you. That guy on the phone said, up. We bought 43 million shares. Thank you very much. Great job. In time, David, tell me as your assumed SVP of Investor Relations to make the filing and say nothing. Call NASDAQ and say, hi, my name is David. I'm the CEO of Mullen. I want to halt my stock because we're announcing a quote material event. They might ask you what it is. They often don't. Again, I know these rules by being in the business. If you tell them that you have a positive event to significantly impact your stock's value, they will halt your stock. And tell them to give me a call. The most significant financial impact in Mullen's history has come from us. In the last 24 hours, we bought about 42 million shares, give or take, at a dime or so. We're here to say that we're fighting against naked shorts. We'll fight them in court, and anyone who holds the stock at a significantly higher price. And there are millions of people. Understand that we hear you, we feel you, we stand with you. And as a result of today's events, we've removed the third, if not more, of the tradable float from the market. And when you remember that we have $600 million in assets and practically no debt, I won't even talk about them covering tomorrow evening. And we have no other debt. In fact, we'll pay it off by tomorrow afternoon. And our book value is this, and our potential backlog, and 10,000 merchant vehicles ready to ship in 3 to 6 months. That's more people than we have here. Guys, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about Mullen stock? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.